Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling gear and choosing the scene. Use a camera or phone with manual exposure and RAW when possible. Set aperture wide for shallow depth and lower ISO to reduce noise. This gives that soft, painterly base. Once ready, position at eye level or slightly low for wonder. Compose with negative space and simple shapes. Make one test exposure, inspect highlights and shadows, and adjust to preserve detail. This prepares everything for the stylized color work to follow. You now capture multiple frames and refine the base. Shoot a bracket set around your chosen exposure so highlights and shadows are preserved. If motion is present, use a longer exposure for soft blur, but keep the main subject sharp. Use a tripod and remote. Then check composition. Add foreground elements to create depth and simplify clutter by moving distracting items. Once done, pick the best frame and make a subtle raw conversion. Lower highlights, lift shadows, and slightly increase clarity and midtones to mimic painted texture. You complete the Ghibli look by color grading and finishing touches. Bias midtones to warm ochre and highlights to soft blue, while nudging greens toward teal or pastel. This creates that nostalgic palette. Then add a subtle vignette and 6-12% film grain to emulate film texture, plus a 1-2px Gaussian blur selectively on backgrounds, using masks to keep subjects crisp. If colors shift oddly, reset white balance, recheck exposure, and paint masks to isolate corrections. This troubleshooting preserves mood without losing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.